Ladies and gentlemen, I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Here is the Prime Minister deliver his speech in 4 points. The first, he stated that eating meat is immoral. We strongly don't agree with this because eating meat, it's not immoral because in fact we eat or we consume the meat according to our need. So we didn't kind of forcing the animal to kill or to be consumed, but we need also, there is a way also for us, selections of the things that we need to consume. And the second, he stated that consuming the meat is concerns about the health. So you stated that eating meat is causes obesity and also some diseases such as cancer. So that is the fact that what we are facing nowadays. But we don't agree with this because that is the only one fact that the causes of cancer and some diseases. There are many facts, there are many causes of the cancer and diseases, not mainly because of consuming or eating the meat. And it's also eating meat is the cause of cancer and some diseases, not only eating the meat. It's also the matters of lifestyles about the psychological problems might be of the person. So it's not really necessary the cause of consuming the meat. So, and the second, you stated about the environmental issue or pollution. Yeah, that is the fact now. It's about the pollution, the problem that we face nowadays. But we still don't agree with this, your point, your statement about this, because in fact, it's not the main cause of the pollution nowadays. There are many causes of pollution, such as transportations, and in fact, the dirt from the animals can be useful for the plantations and fertilizers, such as for the manures for the vegetables, and also for other plants which can be useful and be beneficial for our growth and for our farming. And you stated also for the religion side that some communities uses animals for offerings and ceremonies. From this point of view, we don't agree because in fact, some communities not only use and kill the animals when they are doing some ceremonies or when they have some celebrations. In fact, those communities are trying their best also to regenerate. So they kill the animals for the celebration, but they also regenerate for the next or for the future of their celebration. We strongly don't agree with these points of view with the Prime Minister stated, because from our point of view, killing animals and consuming meat are still essential, and it is really needed for our body, for our development, and for our the growth of our health. So we don't agree that it's really the causes of health. So we still need, our body still need, because from plantations such as vegetables and also grains or some beans is not enough for our nutrition. We still need some nutrition which comes from the meat, but from the meat we consumed. And we didn't simply kill the animals. Many communities know how to consume, and we still know how to regenerate. So it will be so it will be still the population, the numbers of the animals will still be growing, because some communities know how to manage, and many people now actually, in fact, they are being aware of it, that many are raising animals for their use or even for the common use. And eating meat is not really the main cause of, just one of the cause of what you have said about the cause of disease and cancer and environment. So from our we strongly don't agree with your point of view, because there are eating meat and consuming meat is still essential for our growth and for our health. So it's our bodies need a balance. So what you have mentioned about plantation is not enough. We still need from the we still need from the meat. And we talk about fertilization. So many of the things actually, especially for the plantation and farming, they are raising the animals also to help for the plantation and for the farming to be really in balancing for the growth and for the human life. So that's the point that I can state to you. Thank you so much.